Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Traverse. Stock number is A7361A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. And you do have a rear-facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, rear backup sensors, and this Traverse is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Traverse on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.